Callis, and today I'm going to talk to you about my product, biodegradable chapstick. Did you know that 5 trillion pieces of plastic is remaining in our Earth's oceans today? Plastic is found in 60% of seabirds and 100% of sea turtles because they mistake it as food. Every year, 8 million metric tons of plastic is thrown into our ocean. This is a growing problem we have yet to solve. Biodegradable chapstick tubes are able to decompose by bacteria or other living organisms. How many of you know where your chapstick is right now? You can go online and you can go buy that $3 chapstick holder, but in the end, you're still going to lose your chapstick. We can't stop people from littering, but we can change the way litter affects our environment. I will be producing the chapstick tube and the lip balm itself. The chapstick tube will be made of plant-based materials, and the lip balm will be made of all natural resources. My consumers will be chapstick users and environmentally conscious people. My product falls under the cosmetic market. My market size is estimated to be around $70 million. My biggest issue would be price pointing with my competition because plastic is cheaper than biodegradable material. However, the world is changing and this is a growing industry. Overall, my biodegradable chapstick will help contribute to keeping our earth clean. Thank you for your time and save the turtles.
Woo!